Before we start, make sure you subscribe to the channel after the intro because this video took a lot of time to prepare. And trust me, you'll want more content like this coming your way. 1. Why most people never become their better self. Many people go through life feeling stuck. Stuck in routines, stuck in old habits, stuck in an identity they didn't choose. They want to improve, but they don't know how. They want a better life, but they never build the inner foundation to support it. Becoming your better self isn't about luck. It's about self-awareness, intention, and consistent inner growth. 2. The power of self-awareness. Your journey begins with knowing who you are today. Ask yourself, what are my strengths? What habits hold me back? What emotions control my decisions? Self-awareness is like turning on a light in a dark room. You finally see what needs to change and what's already good inside you. According to the early pages of the book, especially the introduction, it emphasizes that transformation starts from understanding your own internal patterns. 3. Breaking the mental barriers. Most limitations exist only in your mind. Fear, insecurity, and past mistakes build invisible walls around your potential. But here's the truth. Those walls are mental illusions, not reality. Breaking them requires challenging negative beliefs, replacing toxic thoughts with empowering ones, and refusing to let past failures define you. Once your mind opens, your life opens. 4. Building habits that shape a better you. Your identity grows from your habits. Small daily choices become stronger discipline, better focus, higher confidence, more emotional stability. The book outlines how positive habits create a long-term transformation by rewiring your behavior over time, as mentioned in the middle chapters focusing on personal development routines. Start simple. Wake up with intention. Move your body. Read something meaningful. Practice gratitude. Sit with yourself even for 5 minutes. Consistency beats intensity. 5. Emotional intelligence, the hidden key. Your emotions shape your decisions far more than logic does. A better self understands how to calm the mind, how to react instead of explode, and how to stay centered during chaos. Master your emotions, and you master your life. 6. Relationships that support your growth. You become like the people around you. Your circle either lifts you up or pulls you down. Protect your energy. Stay close to people who encourage growth. Distance yourself from negativity. Build environments that nourish your vision. A better self needs a better environment, and you're responsible for choosing it. 7. Purpose is the engine of the better you. Without purpose, motivation dies quickly. Purpose gives you direction, energy, clarity, strength during difficult moments. Spend time discovering what truly matters to you. Purpose turns an ordinary life into a meaningful story. 8. The journey of becoming your better self. Becoming better is not a finish line. It's a daily practice, a lifelong journey. It's about learning, improving, evolving, letting go, starting again. As highlighted in the final pages of the book, personal growth is continuous, not something you achieve once and stop. Each day, you choose the person you want to be. Bell, outro. Ask them to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any new content that helps you grow, evolve, and become the best version of yourself. Stay focused, stay grounded, and keep becoming better.